Okay guys, just a quick review of this easy home single drug screen test. They're very easy to use. They do come in this nice box so you can keep them all together. This is a pack of 5. So you just take the sample that you have in a cup, open up the box. Each one is individually wrapped, and it does have instructions in the box as well, but it's very easy to use, and it also has the instructions on each individual drug test as well, so you don't have to worry about keeping the box or keeping the instructions. So you just open up the bag that has the test in it, grab it from the top. There's the test, and then it'll tell you, positive and negative right there. You just pull the stick off of the cover off of the bottom, and then you're going to dip it in the sample for just 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to put the cap back on it, pop it back on, and then you're going to lay it flat for 5 minutes and then read your results. And again, it does have the results on the bag as well, and it also has it on the box, and you can just read the stick test results and compare it to that to know if it's positive, negative, or invalid. Hope that helps.